What is Bytescare?
Bytescare is an industry pioneer that helps you protect your content digitally.
Explain like I'm 5.
Allow me to simplify it for you. Bytescare works with creators and publishers to solve digital problems like fake profiles, content piracy, financial scamming, and reputation management.
Explain like I'm 1.
Sure, let me try. For say, you are a content creator, and there are people who are making your fake profiles and scamming your audiences in your name, or pirating your content, or even worse, spreading misleading and defamatory content against you. Bytescare got you all covered. We not only remove fake profiles, but also remove mean things and all your pirated content from the entire internet.
How can I trust Bytescare? बड़े दिखे वड्डे वड्डे वादे.
You can trust us. Because we are proud partners of industry-leading content creators and businesses like Unacademy, Indian Express, McGraw-Hill, Wiley, Drishti IAS, Khan Sir, and 100 plus other clients. Convinced yet?
Sounds legit.
I mean, wow. Bytescare is love.
Great. Request a demo today at www.bytescare.com for complete digital protection.